Hello students, how are you? Uh, Today we are going to solve exercise 2 question number 9. The previous questions we have solved two sums. And in question number 9, uh, what is here? Here is that we have 3 men and 2 trenches and we have 5 bars. Now, in the previous questions, we have only 2 values. Here we have 3 values. So we write these 3 values like this, right? So here what we'll do, now he's saying that we have 5 men, 7 trenches, find how long it will take, right? So what we'll do here in this, always please remember we apply here a trick, and that is we write here the tail is here with the X and 5 here. So when we write it, this means the tail is here and head is in the denominator. Similarly, we write this. This is 7/5. Tail here, head over here. As it is inverse proportion, because men are increases, trenches are increases. So what happens that now the how many number of hours we need, how long it will take. So 5, 7, 5. So we write here. This is 3/5. 7/2. Sorry, this is 7/2. 3/5 into. Now, in the next step, we write it as 7/2 into 3/5 into 5. We cancel. So, x is 7 3s are 21 over 2. So, it is 10.5 hours. We take 10.5 hours. Okay. This is a very simple question. A question we have done here. As there are 3 quantities when as in the previous questions, all other questions we have done the questions with the 2 quantities, 2 values, right? But here now when we have 3, now we will apply the different method, different technique to solve the question, right? Now I'm going to solve the question number 10 inshallah. Now look at here, in question number 10, what he is saying. Now look at there in question number 10, again he's saying that 12 men needs to make 12 tables in 9 hours. He's saying that if there are 8 men, then if there are 8 men and 32 tables, how long it will take to complete their assignment. So here what happens that, as I have told you, that always write tail with this X, right? And all the person will do this, and whatever the remaining, these 2 remaining are always in the opposite. If there is the here, then this will go to like this, right? We write this in the inverse, opposite, right? Because this is the inverse proportion. So what happens right here, x/9, this is the tail, okay, always we write the value in the, on the tail is in the numerator, head in the numerator, in the denominator, again here, tail and head. So 8 in the numerator and head in the denominator. Sorry. Tail on the tip in the numerator and head in the denominator. In the next, what we'll do, 32 over 12 into 12 over 8 into 12, 8 4s are 32, so x is equal to 4 into 9, this is 36, right? This is a simple trick we have solved. We are going to solve these questions, and please follow the tricks. Try to understand that always this is from here. If x over 9 here, suppose here x and here is 9, then we write this here tail with the x. Always when the tail come on the numerator, write tail on the numerator in the numerator and head in the denominator, right? So whenever we write it, and the remaining two fractions should be in the inverse proportion, right? Now I'm going to solve the next question, question number 11, right? I'm going to solve the question number 11, inshallah ta'ala. What is what's now missing in the question number 11 is 7 identical pipes fill the 3 tanks in 45 minutes. Then how much time it will take for 5 identical pipes to fill the same 3 tanks? And here it is asking for the how long or the time. Here again, so if we apply the same formula here, what we do, we play the same trick here. We write x, and this is like this is right. Always we write this x and we write a tail. We start from the arrow from the here. We put the tail here and arrow here. If it is x and 45, then we write this like. Okay. So and the remaining two here values, the remaining pipes and tanks, we write them in the inverse proportion, right? Opposite to each other, because this is the inverse proportion. If this is direct proportion, then we write all the arrows directly to upward or the downward. Now here, x of 5, 3 over 3 into 7 over 5. So it is 45. So x is equal to 3 over 3, 7 over 5, 5 nines are 3, 7 nines are 63 minutes. So this is 1 hour and 3 minutes. In the book, maybe there is a wrong answer because there is given 21 minutes, and 21 minutes are not possible, because at the first there are 7 pipes and the time taken is 45 minutes. Now the pipes decreases, so the time should be increases, but there the time is all, they have written the less time, that is the wrong answer in this way. So the perfect answer is 63 minutes or 1 hour and 3 minutes. In this response, we have mostly finished our size. One question is left, please, and you people can solve that question by yourself. And if you can't, please ask me in the comments. Again, I will try my best to solve the same question and that question also here. In my next video, I hope you people have well understand, and please try to watch the video and these lessons 2 or 3 times. In this way you can better understand. Maybe first time it is confusing for you people, but when you go through again and again 2 or 3 times, then it is better for you people to understand these. And before leaving, I will request you as usual that please subscribe my channel. I'm really very thankful for you people. Like it, and please must write a comment, right? Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.